two of the features that I liked right away as soon as I saw the tool was that the air discharge is adjustable. So when you're under a car and you're out of position, you can turn this and redirect the exhaust air so it's not blowing in your face or blowing rust or dirt onto you as you're trying to remove a bolt. The other feature that I thought has worked very well for me is the way to change the direction of the impact from right hand to left hand. It's just a simple little twist that's near the back of the tool, and it's very easy to get at. We're going to take an alternator bracket off of this Model T street rod here. It's a kind of a tight fit, and we're working close to the fan, and this tool, it looks like it's going to be perfect. So this is what we're going to do. It's pretty simple. You can get right in there, put it on. Very simple. Squeeze the finger, it comes right off, and you want to put it back on. All I have to do is turn that a little bit, pump it, and very tight, very easy. I don't have to worry about damaging the fins on my radiator, and it just worked it back off.